Oya better na do edo ya wa bokin o e baba ye etani pi atani ko wa ya bokin wa bo we wa bava wa bota that day everyone wa ye abi ko salo ba ye de na o dori ma be suzo la na o ki ogbon no ge han bo po aye be yi na o akon salo ba ye ba o amani ma o afion gbe ma o wa ya bokin o ton ni ere eni nwa baba kebi yi ro wa isen o eto taba wa tie wo bagbe o etian ni magba mu yo mu hi adu e vai wa re pe ni ere si eti o sa tv no magit buta wa koyo usaye fian buwa o wa ga ne ye lu ngi sa o na ya sun o anya ba sa lo bua ba o si ya gbon ri eni ma na we ti adagbe ma se de na ki ogbon ebe la na o so akona na kan po na awo no fiangbe ma no ja baba to bera ke obiji ka o di ma ki ke ni ma na we re ma do to we do ya anti ti ma ya won yin wa we ma ye bi na bu ma ga ye ma la wo uto bo egbogu mi fa won le ga do ege ye ke ege dibu ege zaga ege re ma mi ma wo salu baru dazi la wo dazi no yagbon ke yi obuwe alewi yakoyi la ho ri bo ma o ni Jesu Christi no bi salu bo ise wa ya we ise o ise doge debi obokan o tima Richard Tunde obokan o re ba re Lydia obokan o the two certificate ko yo ise o na agbe na ogan na o na ma we je ze edo ma we ze du yo ma ze bo ma ze du yo bedo wa ni honi a o edo ni ami na are mama honi a wa we lepa ya we ye mama do isa bi do keke ma honi a yi are ya do a o edo ma ho ba ye ze edu ye ebo Oghe de ne babo wa o ni wan rudo watian ya do adoze do da doze bo gege ogbon o u ye dogbon o aga o ode o wana number 1 wait what I ever do I will one wait what I ever do wait number 2 wait for me wait for me you wait for me I want all our children to be able to learn this. So call our children to come and learn this simple thing. Wait for me. What I ever do? How do you write that, Nedo? Hold on. When somebody is hurrying, say, hold on. Somebody is doing something quick. You say, hold on. How do you say that, Nedo? Hold on. Tell your children to come and learn. Oh, I will be carrying that in do. Hold on. Number 4. Don't leave. Don't leave. Don't go away. Don't leave. How do you say it, Nedo? Don't go away. Don't leave. How do you say that, Nedo? Number 1, wait. Number 2, wait for me. Number 3, hold on. Number 4, don't leave. Hold on. Number 4, don't leave. Don't go away. Okay? I can't go. Okay, go va, go ha, go na, go sa, go, gone. Oko, okay, wait. How do you say wait, Nedu? Mudia. Okay, Mudia. Wait, Mudia. Mudia. Number 2, wait for me. Mudia kene. Mudia kene. Wait for me. Mudia kene. Mudia kene. Wait for me. Number 3, hold on. Mudiane. Hold on. Mudiane. Hold on. Mudiane. Oh. Number 4, don't leave. That means don't go away. Don't leave. Rekpa. Rekpa. Oh, Rekpa. Teach your children these simple things, simple expressions. Mudia keren. Mudiane. Rekpa. Rekpa aigbe. Okay. Yaro. Lydia, we Mudia. Okay, Ogbe. I don't get be Mudia. Ogbe. Etosa TV. Mudia. Ogbe. Mudia Kevin. Ogbe. The boy. Okay. The boy. Okay, that's another way of saying. Hold on. The boy. That's good. Then number 4. Get back. Ogbe. Ogbe. Who are going to go? Get back. 2 different words. Mudiane, hold on, 2 different words. So please, let's not write them together in a construct. Let's try to separate the words. Okay. Hi, everybody. Lydia, Mudia, Mudia, Kevin, Mudia, okay, Mudiane. Oh, yeah, the next one. Wigbe, Osunde. Mudia, Mudia, Kevin, Mudia, Kevin, Kevin, okay, Kevin, Mudia, Kevin, okay, MW, it's not VBO, it's MW, okay, all right. Mudiane, great, Get ba, 2 different words. Get ba, 2 different words. Number 1. I don't get to be Mudia, Kevin, Lydia. Get ba, I don't get to be get ba, in the man gives Mudia, Mudia, Kevin, Mudiane, yes, man. Yes, man. Don't leave me. Don't leave me. Yes, man. Okay. You better say, get back. Don't go. Get back. Oh, I always say, oh, many of you got many of the things. Ububa. Oh, Bani Biado. Yama. Edwa Mao. It's it's along the same line. Simple English language translated to Edo. Simple. Go. Let's go. What time, Edo? Let's go. I'm going home. How do you say that in Edo? I'm going home. Your children should learn this. They will know. They would like to know this. I'm going home. Then go home. When your child is following you to work or so, say no, go home, go home, go home. All right. Okay, we are coming. In other words, we are coming back. We are coming. You tell your child to go. We are coming. We are coming. Let's go. I'm going home. Go home. We are coming. How do you say all this in Edo? Very simple. Go. Very simple. Let's go. I'm going home. Go home. We are coming. Write them out in Edo. Okay, go. Okay, going over. Going over. Going over. Going in. Okay. Going inside. Going. Hey, okay. Going. Okay. Going. Okay. Going down. All right. Let's go. Yakba. Number one, Yakba. Let's go. Yes. Number two, I'm coming home. Irie Owa. I'm going home. Sorry. I'm going home. Irie Owa. See? So where are you going, Daddy? Or where are you going, Mommy? I'm going home. Irie Owa. Okay, number three. Go home. Go home. Gari Owa. Tell the child to go home. Gari Owa. Don't follow me. Go home. Gari Owa. Then you tell the child, we are coming back. We are coming back. Monday. Tell the child to go home, that you are coming back. How do you work? Monday. See it? I buy. Hey! Let's go. Anyway. I don't get the big. Yeah, among my food. Okay. Lydia, get back. Bang. Huh? It's also Gakba. Gakba. Gia. Let's go. Gakba. Then I'm going home. Irie Owa. Say it. Irie Owa. You said Irowa. Irowa is different. Iriowa. Go home. Gariowa. Okay. Tiosa. Ugbe mangwagbon. Sokun gbe. Gariowa. Okay. That's good. Ugbe babo. Wa sokun mangwagbon. Iriowa. Gariowa. All right. Anyway. In my gift. Giakba. Okay. Giakba. Hey, Giakba. All right. Then Iriowa. Bay. Iriowa. Hey, Bankugbo. Hey, Bankugbo. There are 3 separate words. I am going home. Iriowa. Okay. Then in my gift. We are coming. Monday. Well, don't write these things together. This is a sentence. Monday. Okay. We are able to make it. Don't write things together, please. These are sentences, not one word. All right. Like this one, Giakba, Bay. Giakba, Iriowa, Bay. Ariowa. Ariowa. rie owa. Gari owa. What do you know what you wrote? Onahino. Oh, Iriowa, then Ariowa. But what you wrote is actually a name, though. Ariowa. Ariowa. Enya ye no kwani ki o. Ariowa. Made ogbe, gboni wa gboni to wa. Yeah, Osunde. Giapa ogbe, Iriowa ogbe. Gari owa. Gari owa. Gari owa. Okay. Okay. The last one, Mariowa. We are coming. Mande, anything. Okay, Lydia, Iriowa, Bay, Adoge, Japa, Bay, Iro, Adio, wa. Okay. Irie owa. Gara ye. Oh, no, sorry. Adio wa. Made, Bonnie, Bay, Made, Usule. Oh, okay. So a computer in my yard maybe. Oh, to boy, I fear you with a imabo. I want to make it working. To boy, I fear you with it. No matter. Oh, time. Other than that, on the book bay, what they have no cook bay. One, there are words, different words. One, for body, we do. Yeah, man. I can't. Oh, yeah, fool. Oh, I got to about you. Okay, let's go home. Right time, do. Let's go home. Okay, let's go eat. Let's go eat. I will eat. I will eat. Number 4, I won't eat. Number 4, I won't eat. I will not eat. Let's go home. What I will do? Let's go eat. What I will do? I will eat. What I will do? Tell the child to come and eat. They will say, I will eat. I won't eat. Some children will say, I won't eat. I won't eat. Let's go eat. Some of your children will tell you, I won't eat. I won't eat. Okay, go here, okay, go here, go here, go here, go here, sir, go here, gone. Woo! I go back here. Let's go home. Gagari owa. Oh. Number 2. Let's go eat. Gayari evi. About well, let's go eat food. No. Let's go eat. Gayari evi. Do what that is. I will eat. I will eat. Number 4. I won't eat. I will not eat. I saw you go. Okay. Hey, Mommy Colette. You're welcome, Mommy Colette. Good to see you. Good. Okay, Josa. Wagi magari owa. Gagari owa. Obey. Good. Wagi maya eba. Okay, over here. Wagi maya eba. Wagi ayari. Okay, you see? Let's go eat. It didn't say let's go eat food. We know that we mean food, but it didn't say that. Many people we have a way of saying let's go eat without mentioning food. Gari emi. Eat something. Oh, we have a Chosa TV. Osude, Gimagarie. Oh, wow, Bay. Gari. Gari. Emare. Okay, by your time. Emare. Iye. Okay. Ugbai, we have a Gari emi. Iye. Okay. Double I there. Yeah. Okay. Great. Great. Now you know. Gari wa. Okay. Gari wa. Gari evare. Gari evare. Gayo. Gari evare. Okay. Okay. That's good. Lydia. Lydia. Gari owa. Gari owa. Gari owa. Okay. Lydia. Gari bahi. Okay. Gari emi. Gari emi. Gari emi. Lydia. Igati bahi. Ah. Igati bahi. Igati bahi we hiata. Okay. Igati bahi. Okay. Lydia. Iye bahi. 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 Ebi ari. Bahi. Debbie, Gary wa Oktai. Mommy collect. Go your bag work. All right. So if I boom bay, learn to separate the world. Poponia but let's see what we have. Okay, now food I go away to now. Opadi kakamuwa na wo kake mahia o ebu ya fe opoloko kan no one kibieka na ho. Long live the king. Amen. Long live the king. Amen. Who can write that? Can you write it? Long live the king. How do we say that, Nedo? Everywhere do abokia o go your one of France. Go your long live the king. Amen. How do you write that in Edo language? I want all Edo people to learn this. There are too many mistakes in the way we write long live the king. So that's why I'm correcting it. I want all people to please correct it. All right? Long live the king. Go your wo. Go your va. Go your ha. Go your done. Go your son. Going. Gone. Long live the king. Amen. Oba gato ogbe ise. Oba gato ogbe ise. Odega ya. Ile ya gbon. Ere ya gbon. Obe he ya fe na gbin oba gba. Oba gato ogbe. No. Ma akirita oba atokpe agbon akirite mi ayan agbon oba atokpe wa gbon eri oba ra to ogbe wa de ya do wa gibaga o wa fie wede round yon fie wede do ka gbon magba fie wede ahire bai Chosa TV Oba gato be ise be is two words be or be. Don't join this together. Be. There's no two words joined together there. Be. Okay. Choose how we have in the man gift. Oba gato be the same thing. Or be. If you were do. Oba gato ogbe oyaibo. You have to break oba gato. Oba gato. Oyaibo. You tried. Sunday Oba ra to Ogbe ise. Ogbe Sunday gbe oyemi e o. Oyemi e o. Maka mula de nu gbadon kina. Ona yino Oba ra to Ogbe. Okay. Ra Oba ra to Ogbe. Waja wo yo. No man Oba ra to Ogbe. Oya ibo Gbe okay. Ọdún yìí náà ọba rà tọ ọpẹ ọyà ìwọ ọgbẹ iṣẹ Debbie ọba ọrẹ tọ ọpẹ iṣẹ ọrẹ rà tọ Lydia uyọwẹ o Lydia koyọ. Wama, all of us are learning together. My have the cocoa, Saba don't read your body mao. It's a why you fair no re, Sabati Bawa. Yakwe, I'll give you a sauce. Go salobo. Marry the baby by Wednesday. I did not do we put it. Please join me. If I be no 9 of you there today, glory be to God. What or what? Eternally, so many. Today, if you do, who are Mavagon, Lydia, who are Mavagon, oh, now you know, Adore Debbie, no man give, Wama, Shall Sunday, if you do, choose a TV, Wama, if you do, Lydia, Yampumbo, who are Mavin Wayaro, the Sunday, how about the Bawaya fair, Assembly Wamio. Don't be why me with Jesus Christ. It's anyone in row wa our egbe ino nania. I think be waro somebody bawa. Oba e wa ino redo. Wa ito ekbebe kete. Ede ga ma wa ga ma. O yo pe bo duki. Oba ilu boy fo. Oba ato ope ise. Ise o. Babado awiye do awutan ya do. Amigo, bye bye.